Hey guys, Easton here at Phillips Chevrolet in Bradley. Hey, I'm inside a 2025 Silverado 2500 Custom. So I'm going to show you a little bit about these trucks. So almost all trucks are going to come obviously with a trailer tow package. So some of them come also with a brake controller as well. So if you look down here, you're going to see that it's going to have a plus minus and then this little spring loaded button, I guess you could say. So what it's going to do is that's actually going to the plus and the minus are going to adjust the amount of percentage that your trailer brakes are applying. Now when you're wanting to test your trailer brakes out and completely want to make sure that they're actually working, you're going to go ahead and push this all the way in, move forward a little bit, make sure there's some resistance so that way you could tell that your brakes on your trailers are actually working. If you have any questions about this or any other features, let me know. You can always reach me at 815-933-2251 extension 810, or come visit us at 1400 Locke Drive in Bourbonnais, Illinois, and I'll be looking forward to it. Thank you guys. See you soon.